So good day, ma'am. My report is Region 7, Central Visayas Region. So objectives at the end of the chapter. So students should be able to first identify the different major attractions, activities, accommodations, and cultural highlights in the provinces within the Central Visayas region. So next, create different tour packages that carry different types of tourism activities within the region. And third is assess the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and traits of the region in terms of the 4A's of tourism. So introduction. The Central Visayas region has two of the most dynamic tourism-driven destinations in the country. Bohol and Cebu are included in the top 10 list of the most visited destination of both local and domestic tourists. Siquijor is slowly creating noise as an enchanting natural destination in Central Visayas. Central Visayas region is comprised of the provinces of Bohol, Cebu, Siquijor, and Negros Oriental. So, facts. So, Bohol. Capital of Bohol is Tagbilaran. Land area is 534,200. Major industries, agriculture, business process, outsourcing or BPO, tourism. Number of cities, 1. Number of towns and municipalities, 47. In Cebu, the capital of Cebu is Cebu City. Land area, 482,095. Major industries, shipbuilding, shipping, agriculture, or Mingo industry, BPO, then tourism. Number of cities, 9. Number of towns and municipalities, 43. Siquijor. Land area, 33,749. Major industries, trading livestock, poultry, furniture, and fishing. Number of cities, wala. Number of towns and municipalities, 6. In Negros Oriental, capital, Dumaguete. Land area, 538,553. So, major industries, sugar, agriculture, fishing, livestock. Number of cities, 6. Number of towns and municipalities, 19. So, port of access. Bohol, Cebu, and Siquijor are the islands, hence access to and from the said provinces are by air or sea. Intra-region travel is also via sea. Tourists should consider going around the region during the same visit to maximize the seaport access within the region. Cebu and Bohol also serve as jump-off some points to some provinces in Mindanao. So, Cebu, Bohol, and Siquijor are islands. Kanang ma-access nila ang island through sea or by air. So, muna siya mga airport. So, Mactan, Cebu International Airport, Tagbilaran City Airport, and Dumaguete City Airport. So, sa through sea naman, Cebu International Port, Tagbilaran City Tourist Pier, Larina and Siquijor ports, and Dumaguete ports. So, by air, considered as the country's second international gateway. The Mactan Cebu International Airport is the main gateway to the region from various domestic and international destinations. Tagbilaran City Airport in Bohol is an alternative hub for domestic flights from Manila and Cagayan de Oro. So by sea is to go travel offers regular ferry trips from Manila to Cebu and vice versa. Several shipping companies offer daily trips to Tagbilaran from Cebu, Cagayan de Oro, Dipolog, Dumaguete, and Manila. So the province of Siquijor, on the other hand, is generally accessed through its 3 seaports located in Larina, Lazi, and Siquijor. So various shipping companies offer daily trips from Dumaguete, Tagbilaran, and Iligan City. So, getting around. So the cities and municipalities within the provinces are connected through a network of concrete roads. Private van and car rentals are available to move around from region, as well as public modes of transportation such as multi-cabs or small jeepneys, tricycles, and motorcycles to get around the towns. Attractions and activities. Historical, cultural, and heritage attraction of Bohol. Blood Compact Memorial, Baclayon Church, and Clarin Ancestral House. Next is Punta Cruz Watchtower, Bohol National Museum, Dagohoy Marker. Natural attractions of Bohol, Chocolate Hills, Tarsier Sanctuary, Lubok River, and Abatan River. Balikasag Island, Panglao Island, Panilacan Island, and Mag-Aso Falls. Built attractions of Bohol, Sipatan Twin Bridge, and Mahogany Forest. Historical and cultural and heritage attractions of Cebu. So Magellan Cross, Basilica Minor de Santo Niño, Port San Pedro, Cebu Heritage Monument, Magellan Shrine, Lapu-Lapu Park. The University of San Carlos and Liloan. So, natural attractions of Cebu, Ulango Island, Mactan Island, Nunukiv, Bantayan Island, Malapascua Island, and Camotes Island. Natural attractions, Kawasan Falls and Malboal. So built attractions of Cebu, Cebu Toys Temple, Ocean Temple, the Mactan Mandawi Bridge, Plaza Independencia, Puente Isminia, and Taps. So Siquijor, historical, cultural, and heritage attractions. St. Francis of Assisi. So San Isidro Labrador Parish Church, Kang Isok House. So natural attractions of Siquijor, Cambuhagay Falls, Cantabon Cave, Tolapos Marine Sanctuary, San Juan Beach, San Juan Capilay Spring Park, Mount Bandilaan, and Old Balite Tree. So historical, cultural, and heritage attractions of Negros Oriental. Silliman University, Dumaguete Bell Tower and Cathedral. Natural attractions of Negros Oriental, Casaruro Falls, Balanan Lake, Apo Island, Mabinay Cave, White Sandbar, and dolphin watching. So Bohol, budget less than 1.5 per night. Say Aleria bed and breakfast, Staylight Park bed and breakfast, Traits Guest House, Water Paradise Resort, Darunday Manor, Arabelle Suites, Vest Grand Suites, and El Portal. Sa mid-range, 1.5 to 3,000 per night. So siya Billion Hotel, Metro Century Hotel and Convention Center, 717 Caesar Place Hotel, Q Hotel, Ocean Suites Bohol, Buteyko Hotel, Bohol Traffics Resorts, Bohol Bee Farm Hotel, Del Diamond Hotel. High-end at least 3,000 per night, Kasagpan Resort, Alona Q White Beach Resort, Panglao Homes, Resorts and Villas, Alona Tropical Beach Resort, The Peacock Garden, Flushing Meadows Resort, Bohol Beach Club, Hinan Beach Resort, Skaya Beach Resort. So in Cebu, budget less than 1.5 per night. So Cebu Budget Hotel, Copenhagen East Residences, AOP Hotel, Guadalupe Grove Guest House, R Suites and Cafe, Pelos Hotel, PR Aristo Guest House, Anthurium Inn, Cebu Guest House, GNB Hostel, Europa Mansionette Inn, GV Hotel, Heritage Inn. So, muna tag 1.5 per night sa Cebu. So, ari naman ta sa mid-range, 1.5 to 3,000 per night. Bayfront Hotel, Hotel Elizabeth, Crown Regency Hotel, Red Planet, South Pool Central Hotel, Harold's Hotel, The Henry Hotel, Diamond Suites, Alpha City Suites, Cebu Grand Hotel, Golden Prince Hotel, Allure Hotel and Suites, Dohera Hotel, and Soto Grande Hotel and Resort. So, muna itag 1,500 to 3,000 per night sa Cebu. So, aritas high-end, at least 3,000 per night. Marco Polo Plaza Hotel, Radisson Blue, Moving Peak Hotel, Mactan Island, Cebu, Candaya Resort, Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino, Mandarin Plaza Hotel, Cebu Park Lane International Hotel, Shangri-La Mactan Resort and Spa, Marriott Hotel Cebu, Plantation Bay Resort, Crimson's Resort and Spa. So muna itag 3,000 per night sa Cebu. So sa Siquijor, budget less than 1,500 per night. So na Torres Paradise Islandia Beach Resort, Isla Inn, Destrayong Guest House, Casa de la Plaza Beach Resort, Palm Tree Guest House, Town View Guest House, Latandre Highlands Hotels, Sun Porch Bed and Breakfast. So mid-range, 1,500 to 3,000 per night. So Gold View Beach Resort, Blue Wave Inn, Adayo Cove Resort, Tropicasa Siquijor, Latandre Highlands Hotel, the Danish Lagoon Luxury Beach Resort, Island Redenvaux Cottages. So muna tag 1,500 to 3,000 per night sa Siquijor. So high-end, at least 3,000 per night. So White Villas Resort, Calatuche Beach Resort, Lassie Beach Club. So muna tag 3,000 per night sa Siquijor. So budget less than 1,500 per night in Negros Oriental is Hotels Dumaguete, Hostel Tropical, White Chocolate Hills Resort, Hotel Nicanor, Hotel Palwa, Manhattan Suites Inn, C&L View Inn, Cubs Beach Resort. So mid-range 1,500 to 3,000 per night, Antolang Beach Resort, Hotel Essentia, Will Beach Dive Resort, Cove Sands Beach and Dive Resort, La Residencia Almar Hotel, Greasy Dive Resort, Casa Margarita. So high-end, at least 3,000 per night, Atlantis Dive Resort, Salaya Beach Houses, Sea Dream Resort, Atmosphere Resort, Feed Homes Kundo Resort, Bahura Resort and Spa, Bravo Resorts, Santa Maria Beach Club. So muna yung mga food and delicacies. In Bohol is Tablia, Barcalos, Kalamay, Peanut Kisses, Broas, Bibingka, Maroya, Biko, Torta. So in Cebu, Lechon, Danget, fresh and dried mangoes, chorizo de Cebu, mozzarella, torta, rosquillos, bibingka, binignit, biko, ampaw, puto and chikwati, salvaro and nyoho. So in Siquijor, torta, native bread, peanut ball, banana crackers, salwaki or sea urchin, Lomboy wine or Java plum wine. In Negros Oriental, Silvanas, Sans Rival, Budbud Kabuk, Dumaguete Express. Recommended pasalubong, fresh and dried mangoes, lechon, chicharon, danggit, utap, broas, piyaya, peanut kisses, calamay, malunggay spread, peanut brittle, banana chips and crackers, torta, Siquijor amulets, lumay or love potions, handicrafts or kitchens, baskets, bags, wallets, etc. Guitars, ukuleles and other string instruments. T-shirt. Festival and special events. So, Bohol. First is Sandugo Festival. in July. So, commemoration of the blood compact of Dato Sicatuna and Miguel Lopez de Legazpi, a month-long festival that showcases cultural shows and agro-industrial fairs. So next is Pandayan Festival in February 27, a celebration of the anniversary of Saint Joseph, the worker parish. Next is Obi Festival, second week of January, to give honor to the Obi, much revered root crop in Bohol. Next is Bulibong King Festival, May 23, a music and dance festival to celebrate the history, folklores, and traditions of the Lubucanans. Next is Suroy sa Musikero, December 25 to February 2, a celebration where the Lubuk town musicians play music such as Kuratang and Dalaga sa Baybayon to the hosts of the assigned areas and enjoy the food served for them. Next is Sambat Mascara Hawaii Regatta Festival, every first Saturday of December, in honor of Luwai second patron saint, Saint Francis Xavier. Next is Sidla Kasila, August 30 until September 8. So the Festival of Lights to honor the Virgin of Kasila, Our Lady of Light, patroness of Luon. Pahinungod Festival, May 1 to 10, a celebration to give thanks for an abundant harvest to the town San Vicente Fair. Festival and special events in Cebu. So next is Sinulog Festival, every third Sunday of January, one of the most popular festivals of the Philippines in honor of Senior Santo Niño. Next is Paskuhan sa Sugbo, a month-long celebration to welcome the Christmas season. Next is Kadaugan sa Mactan, April 22 to 27. Commemorates the historic battle between Ferdinand Magellan and Mactan chieftain Lapu-Lapu. Next is Dinagat Festival, August 16. Celebrates the livelihood and fishing culture of the town of Cordova in honor of their patron saint, Senior San Roque. Next is Siloy Festival, last Saturday of August, to pay tribute to patron Saint Rose of Lima and to promote Mag-Abo Forest that shelters the endangered Black Shama or Iloy. So next is Vanig Festival, July 25, Badjan's annual fiesta that showcases Cebuano culture, tradition, delicacies, and local products. Next is Mantawi Festival, May 5, an annual event to celebrate the rich cultural and historical heritage of Mandawi City. Next is Tostado Festival, third Sunday of April. Highlights the town popular delicacy Tostado. Last is Kawayan Festival, in honor of Saint Francis Xavier. The town of Alegria celebrates its major source of livelihood, the Kawayan or bamboo. Festival and special events of Siquijor. So first is Buguas Festival, a celebration in San Juan, Siquijor of their bountiful harvest in honor of their patron saint, Saint Agustin, held during the last week of August. Next is Dilaa Festival, October 1, a celebration of the distinct hospitality of the Siquijornons in honor of their patron saint, Saint Francis of Assisi. Next is Solili Festival, September 17, known as the highlight of the araw ng Siquijor celebration to reminisce the tradition in Lassi, Siquijor, and pay a tribute to the newly couples. Next is Lubi Festival, May 21. The municipality of Maria Siquijor celebrates lubi or coconut trees as their major source of livelihood. So, festival and special events in Negros Oriental. First is Buglasan Festival, second week of October, the mother of all festivals in the province. Next is Sandort Festival, third week of November, in honor of patrons of Dumaguete, Santa Catalina de Alejandria, and to celebrate hospitality, and harmony in the city. Next is Tao Tao Festival, February 18, also known as Scarecrow Festival. Last is Pasaya Festival, March 18, a Thanksgiving celebration for the bountiful harvest of the city of Canlaon. Major cultural groups. Major cultural groups in the region are the Cebuanos and Bulanos. Cebuano used to be the largest ethnic group in the Philippines but is currently only next to the Tagalog. So the Cebuano constitutes the major ethnic population and cultural influence in southern Philippines, making Cebuano the lingua franca of southern Philippines. The Boholano speaks a variation of Cebuano with minor changes in pronunciations. Whatever remains of their tradition culture has long been gone. Their dialect is a similar variation of Cebuano with minor changes in pronunciation. Southern Bohol is known for unique hunting specializations for whales, dolphins, sharks, and mantas. So next is major industries. Having island provinces, the major industries in the region include agriculture, fishery, shipping, and tourism. Last is languages and dialects spoken. So major languages and dialects spoken include Cebuano, Bulano, Porohanon, and English. So that's all. Thank you.